Are you feeling better?
You've outdone yourself this time, Hermione.
The Forest of Dean. I came here once with Mum and Dad. Years ago. It's just how I remember it. The trees, the river, everything. Like nothing's changed. Not true, of course, everything's changed. If I brought my parents back here now, they probably wouldn't recognise any of it. Not the trees, not the river, not even me. Maybe we should just stay here, Harry. Grow old. You wanted to know who the boy in the photograph was. I know. Gellert Grindelwald.
He's the thief I saw in Grigorovich's wand shop. Speaking of which, where is my wand? Where's my wand, Hermione?
As we were leaving Godric's Hollow, I cast a curse and it rebounded. I'm sorry. I tried to mend it, but wands are different.
It's done. Leave me yours. Go inside and get warm. I'll take the locket as well.